lunchtime. So one time he died, he committed suicide.
Oh.
So one afternoon, I was alone in the hallway, and then the whole manufacturing department is nobody's there. So because I was the last one, I was supervising them. So I was the last one. So I know all the operator left. When I was walking on the hallway, I saw a guy. Their uniform is white. He was walking down, going to that area where he normally operates another machine, the small machine. So I tried to follow him, trying to tiptoe because I'm trying to scared to like no scared him something like that. So when I was trying to tiptoe to follow me, and then I went inside that small room because I know he went inside. And then when I went in, nobody is there, but I saw him get into that small room. So there's another operator outside. Ron, I was following you. Whom are you following? I saw one guy getting inside that room, and nobody was there. So, so on lunchtime when I was alone, or maybe in the afternoon, my table is right across that big machine where he normally sleep. One time I was doing like I think like my head is aching. So I do like this. Somebody is pulling my skirt, my uniform.
Oh.
Yeah. And then what I can really feel, I have a goosebump. I'm looking at the back of the machine. I'm also staring at. I know I don't see anybody, but I intentionally stare at him at that area. I know there's somebody there because I have a goosebump. Somebody is pulling like that my skirt, my uniform. Yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah.
I know she does. That's why I said which
That's a
one.
new
I
one.
think I have
That's a new one.
I think I have a third eye or maybe sixth sense.
I think you do.
Yeah, she always
Yeah, because one
senses
time
it.
in my sister's house in New Jersey, when you were still small, when usually I'm so scared, so I sit with that when daddy is out at work. Since I was not working at that time, they were small, and RG was at school. I have to bring you down to the outside and we'll just play because one time, because I
How
don't,
old is GR?
no, GR is maybe,
19?
What?
no, GR was only 11. GR was less than 1 year old at that time.
Okay.
So I have to open the restroom because I will see where GR is going, and also Jessica, so I can see you just in the family. You might go to the basement. When I was in the restroom, it's open. Somebody, because the bedroom of my sister is bedroom and bedroom. Then there's a restroom in the middle. So I just open it because the two guys might go down to the basement straight to that area. Somebody is crossing, a white lady, really white, crossing from one room to another. Yeah. And
Oh.
yeah, and when I was in the kitchen one time, there's a little boy jumping, also a little like maybe a
Where did you
dwarf.
see him?
That was a rabbit.
No, I no, and he was coming from the another hallway from the kitchen. He was jumping like this, like playing a little boy, and it was scary.
Was it me?
No, it's not you. Yeah.
Who was that?
And you also you heard
Who among
something.
them was that stirring somebody who was passing? Was
Why?
it RJ?
It was Kuya. Looking at the little people.
Ah, yeah, RJ when RJ was small in the
Yeah.
Philippines. Um, RJ, I think you were with a babysitter, and then you told the babysitter, "Mommy, there's a little,
People.
there's a little people. How small?" You said how as small as this. Yeah, you saw little people. So maybe those are like dwarf. Yeah.
That's
And then
true.
what my mother-in-law
Sorry, guys.
does, so that the bad spirit will not go to RG, because most of the time we sleep all together in the living room. We don't sleep in the bedroom because it's just not that big. So my mother-in-law, what she does is put that
Inang?
broom, the
Inang or Nanay
broomstick.
Pitas?
No, Inang.
Inang.
What Inang does when RG sleep, he has to put those broomstick on the side of RG so that the bad spirit will not go will not go near you. Yeah, the pieces of broomstick. Yeah.
The Walis?
Walis, the walis,
That's
yeah.
the witch.
Yeah.
Spooks.
Interesting.
So you got
I
my
think,
sixth sense.
yeah, I think that house that we live in New Jersey
It's haunted house.
is really haunted because there was a big at the back, big tree, twice as this, the trunk.
It's like a
Mhm.
forest. Part of the
And
property of my sister is a forest.
during noon time and you go there, oh, you can feel somebody is there.
Something, yeah.
Hmm?
It's not apple.
No,
The
New Jersey.
backyard are all big
Maple
trees.
tree, maple.
New
Yeah.
Jersey.
when I was a kid, I woke up. I was probably Carter's age, and I kept waking up my mom. And she's like, "What's wrong?" I was like, "I can't sleep." And she said, "Why?" And apparently, I told her because they won't stop talking to me. And she said, "Who?" And I said, "The voices.
Oh.
They won't stop talking to me."
Oh.
And I don't know. She said a prayer, and I fell asleep. But yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Kids are scary.
Spooky.
I see a light.
Oh. Wait, what happened with the tree? What about it?
Oh, that big tree. You can sense there's somebody living there,
No?
Oh.
even during noontime. That's why Tita Ninette seldom go there at the back. Although she has her
Like the neighbor.
garage. I mean, what do you call this?
She had a little
Storage.
storage at the back.
Yeah.
One time I was mowing that lawn at the back. Oh, I can feel it. Somebody's just watching me.
So my sister is alone, and then sometimes she's doing like